Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can transfer crypto from Uphold to your Binance account. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're going to be in Uphold, you want to click here from, and you want to choose your coin or your account here. When you're going to do it, this is going to be a fee that you have to pay. So you're going to choose not national currencies, not equities, not cryptocurrencies. You're going to choose crypto networks, and you need to find a pair here. So if I'm sending a Bitcoin, I need to click Bitcoin. Then you just have to add a price here, like how much Bitcoin you want to actually send. And then this is a fee, and this is how much you have to send. So this is going to be like whatever, let's say like this. And now it's going to like get all the fees, right? That I would send literally nothing here. And then you need to click preview withdrawal, and you're gonna have the address there. To the address, you need to insert, let's go to the Binance wallet overview, then fiat and spot. And when you're gonna be here, you have to find Bitcoin. And then what you have to do is to simply click deposit, and now you have to just copy the address and just paste it right here. When you're gonna click preview withdrawal, you're gonna have an address there, and you have to insert it there. So thank you very much guys for watching. If you're gonna have any questions, ask me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya.